Yeah. Man down, now it's time for the angel of death, make a cloud like rainfall. Your end, make it slow, make it painful. One ring on the back, but it twinkle.
All right, so in this video, what we're going to do is talk about something very, very simple and very dope. Now, let's talk about the memberships. All of our memberships come with different things. They can come with assets inside of the game. They can come with property inside of the game. They can come with property that you actually can't buy inside of the game. And that's one of the things that we wanted to do with our project, was give you something as a membership where it's like separates you from the people that's playing free to play, because Myth Story of Abraxas is a free to play game. Now, there is one key that's very expensive, but it comes with a lot. And this is like an investor's key. We don't recommend that you buy this key if you're just going to just dip off on a game. This is going to be a key that you guys would appreciate, because here's how it works. So this key is called the Abraxas key. It's the highest level key, and what it do, it allow you to create a faction. And with this faction, it also means that you actually have your own server, and in the server you can do whatever you want with the server. You can actually add more outside assets inside of the game, and you get paid for every product that someone buys inside of your faction. So they buy a product from us, you get paid a percentage of that. So that's a thing that you can do with the Abraxas key. Now, there are 3 keys that allow you to do something really cool, and that's the Master, the Cosmic, and the Abraxas key. Now, we're still working on the percentages of the split that you will make when you create an asset inside of our game and it's sold inside of the marketplace. Now, when it comes to the Master, we're thinking about doing 45%, but I know when it comes to Abraxas, you will make up to 70%. So Masters, Cosmic, and Abraxas allows you to put assets inside of the game, such as clothes, guns, cars, and franchises. We're going to work on for you to put your own houses and stuff like that. That comes in the future, but these allow you to actually put assets inside of the game, allow other players from different servers and in your own server to buy your franchise, and then you will make 70% if you own the Abraxas key, or still figuring it out, but down to 45% depending on when you watch the video. Who knows the number is going to be, but let's say this is an example, 45% with the master key, and every time that franchise, that asset is sold, you get paid 70%. So not all the money comes to us, it actually goes half, 70% goes to you, and the 30% comes to us. And this is the thing that the Abraxas key do. It comes with a lot of different perks. Most of our keys come with perks. For example, like one that all of them actually do is allow you to convert the in-game currency into our native token, and this is how you earn inside of our game. The survivor key, which is the $75 key and up, so $75 and up, allows you to actually use the pawn shop, so you don't have to take the items that you found and then sell them onto the auction house and wait for someone to buy them. The pawn shop is the treasury of our community. And then you can actually take that to the pawn shops that's inside of the game. You are able to sell the items directly for the native token. So this is pretty cool. Lets you jump over, waiting to sell your item to the auction house. And then the keys from Tyro and up allows you to get into the PC membership club. And also there are basically secret black market dealers inside of the game. That there's a free to play one, and then there's the tier levels. When it comes to having a key, you're able to go to these black market dealers basically, and you're able to buy rare items that you can't find inside of the game, and that you can't actually buy inside the game as well. No franchise will sell these things. So there are a lot of benefits that comes with these memberships. Again, some of them come with assets. For example, the Abraxas key actually comes with a building that allows you to control all of the media, for example, like the billboards inside of the city that is in. So you're able to actually sell billboard space to actually real life companies and put their billboard space inside of the game. So that's a pretty cool thing. And that comes with a building, that comes with an apartment, and a lot of different things. It comes with a lot. So I'll show you a video what it looks like and how it works in the further future. And then you have this the Cosmic key, which comes with an apartment that's inside of space. So you basically get on the HASA's parody of NASA, get on a rocket ship, and you just basically go to your apartments inside of space, because there is a city that we have in space as well, that you guys will be able to venture on, and you guys will enjoy that. So being a member Comes with a lot of different perks, and that's another way we wanted to use our NFTs versus something just like PFPs or anything that just has no value to them. All of our NFTs are meant for you to hold, not sell, because you actually make more money by holding them. If you actually own more than one membership, renting these keys out, due to the price of everything, you can actually earn in-game currency. We'll actually incentivize you for actually renting out your keys to other players too for in-game currency. We'll actually give you our native token if you do that, just by being a good sport and just allowing people who are not able to afford the keys and giving them a way where they can grind inside of the game and then hold a key, and now they are able to make a living by exchanging the in-game currency for a native token. For being a good sport, we will reward you with our native token, getting you paid twice, because then you can convert the in-game currency that those guys are paying you into the native token. And that's what the membership keys do, and that's why we made sure that all of our NFTs are actually worth something. If you have any questions, make sure you join our Discord, and I'll see you later.